simu yako. Mimi ndo nilitoa actually. Iko imejaa. Nikashangaa iko imejaa na niliona 100% ama niliona zangu.
Okay. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Yep, now guys, my name is Kerende. For those who haven't even subscribed to my channel, subscribe, share, comment what you have, guys, and also don't forget to like my videos. Now guys, greetings from Kenya and a happy Merry Christmas, wishing you all of those things. And guys, guess what, today I'm at the farm. Yeah, I'm with my friend here chilling. Now we want to enjoy the barbecue for the first time, guys. No, and I'm having my friends all over there that go and they will introduce themselves. Yep, they will. Yeah guys, I'm so happy. Let me stand in a place where the sun is sunning me, so you may see my face well cleared with some small rashes, guys. Yep. Okay, now I'm preparing my to guard them so that we can check on them, guys. Yep guys, now that what is it, let me go and then they will introduce themselves. Yeah guys. Okay, and actually they're here. Mrs.
What's the mambo Kerende?
Poa sana.
What's up my beautiful people? I go by the name Natashli, a content creator in Kenya, guys. I'm being hosted in Kerende's channel for the second time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kerende, for hosting me.
Yes.
We are here, it's like we are having a party because we are doing barbecue with Kerende and some few friends over here. So, Kerende,
Yes.
how do you feel today?
I feel so good.
The weather is so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I want to enjoy it for the barbecue. Yeah.
I'm seeing you're looking very nice. Kerende,
That's always. Yeah.
As always.
Yeah, it's always there. Okay, let me check out the barbecue first.
Okay.
Yes. And actually Kiza is here, man of barbecue.
Bro,
Yes.
how are you doing?
I'm good.
You good?
Yes.
Finally.
Yeah. Let me stand in an angle position.
How are you doing, bro?
I'm doing good. Yes.
Mungu anasaidia.
Anasaidia.
Alright guys, welcome to Kerende's channel. My name is Kiza KE from East Africa, Kenya, a content creator also, and king of barbecue also.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, today we are here gathered at Sunrise Cabin, and you know, whenever we are here, just know that something is cooking, something is going down. So we are just here, friends, and we decided to do something small here for ourselves, to appreciate ourselves.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why you see the grill is, you know, smoking.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to let you know that something. Let me just. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let me just open for you. Kerende, it's your time. Yes.
Guys, I don't know if you hear that smell,
They won't hear.
but my
I
phone
want
is
to tell them how
my phone is good. You know, they must hear that smell, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So, this is our grill meat.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm just doing a very nice barbecue here to make sure that you guys enjoy,
Yeah.
and also we enjoy together as friends, as family. Yeah, to appreciate life, you know,
Yes.
because it's not easy to survive. Because a lot of people out here, they are really trying their best to survive in life. For us who doesn't even struggle, we keep going. We just appreciate God.
Yes.
We thank Him for these resources.
Yeah,
That
the
He has
king
just
of
provided us so that they can support us and our life in fully.
the king of barbecue.
Yeah,
Even
man.
may want to be like you. You know, you are popular, you are famous everywhere, or you don't know that.
Oh, you want to be like me?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So you might tell me steps. Yeah.
Okay, what do you wanna know?
This meat, how it started, guys.
Um, Kirende,
Yeah, man.
it's a very long process,
Mm.
and in fact that you've been watching a lot of video, not even video, you've been seeing me live.
Yeah.
Anytime I do barbecue here, you are there. What I'll just tell you is this is something that you can learn from anybody, and you can also be a pro like me.
Yes.
So it's all about trusting yourself. Tell yourself that I can do it. Understand? Don't let anybody to tell you that no, you know that it's so hard, you can't even do it. Like, you just tell yourself, you know what, I can even do it better than him. You understand?
Yes.
So that whenever one day you'll find yourself in such a position or in such situation, you can easily handle things like Krend, not like Kiza. You understand?
I understand.
Yeah, so in order for you to become like me, or to know this process, and to do it also at your home or for your friends,
Yeah.
or in any party, just believe in you, trust yourself. And here, learning this is something simple. It doesn't even take it any, okay, it will take your time, yes, because you need to know how. Because here it's not all about grilling meat, it's all about the flavor that the meat has. Understand?
Yes.
So in order for you to come out with a very nice flavor, and also your meat should be always tender. Understand?
Okay.
So that you find everybody can enjoy it. You know, there are some of people who love hard meat, and there are some who love soft meat. And for many people, they always love soft meat.
Yes.
So when I talk of tender, I mean something soft, something nice, something sweet. Understand?
I understand, Kiza.
Yeah. So Kerenda, this one you can easily learn it. You can also learn it from me. You just tell me one day, you know what, today I want you to teach me these things, and I'll show you. But I won't teach you in. I'll teach you with action. With action, I mean you
I
go
buy
buy the
Hey.
meat, come to the ground now. I show you how it's done.
It will be so difficult to buy those things.
Why?
Hey.
Kirendi, you're telling me you can't afford meat?
No, it's not that I can't afford. But for now, man.
Okay, I'm not talking of now. You, anytime that you feel like now it's the time, now I want
We
to know
can
this.
discuss without doing action.
It's all right.
Yeah.
It's upon to you. But with me, the best thing is to do it not only in talking but also in action.
Okay.
Because action speaks better than
What?
exactly. So it's better you do action. You get to learn more. Understand?
Okay.
Yeah. But this is something that you can also do. You can also become a greatest barbecue king
In the world.
in the world.
You know, you are the king of barbecue in Yabuans.
So you can also do it, brother. So you keep doing what you're doing,
Yeah.
and also if you ever have any dream of becoming a very great chef,
Yeah.
you just go for it. Don't let anybody to take that chance from you. Just be you. Go for it, because you're the one knows what you want in life,
Yes.
right? So go what your heart likes, or where your heart felt like I'm safe here. Go there. You get it?
Yeah, I get it, man.
Yeah, bro. So that is it. So I'm just doing it for you here so that you can get to enjoy
Yeah.
and test the feeling.
This is the early preparation to Christmas, or it has just started.
Actually, we've just started ours early.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are not waiting for the exact time or date. For us, it's starting today, and it will be continuing like until January.
Oh.
Yeah. So guys, my name is Kiza Ke or Chef Kiza, and thank you so much, and also King of Barbecue. Thank you so much for coming through for my brother here, Kirende. Keep watching his video, and Kirende, thank you so much for having me in your channel today.
Yeah.
I really appreciate a lot, and may God be with you.
Yes, man.
May God guide you.
And add more meat.
I meant to that.
Yes.
Yeah, so that is Kirende, guys, and keep watching him. It's a brother to me, and I really, really appreciate him a lot. And I also urge you guys, kindly support my brother here. Yes, subscription is the only thing that he keeps him going. So go subscribe to his channel. Let's push him road to
Yeah,
Maju.
road to success.
Exactly.
Yeah, guys, now it's enjoying the meat.
Yeah. Waiting from your side.
Okay.
My side, I'm done.
Okay, guys.
See that?
Yeah. Wow.
See that?
It looks very
It's
tender.
clean.
Clean meat. I agree. This is amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I also appreciate, people, they normally say a lot. At some point I feel like, these people are now exaggerating a lot.
I know it's not exaggerating.
But again, I've just find the moment of truth is that my work, it's always perfection.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
I always do a very nice job.
And we appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Up, guys, that is all about the village barbecue. But guys, don't worry. No, you are now wondering. I was at the cabin, and now then I'm here. What we cut off the meat. Then after cutting off the meat, but my phone get off, so that's why I couldn't show you the way even they usually eat, guys. Yeah, apologies to that, because even I could have to had a call from home, so I decided to come and see what's wrong. Yeah, there was a case that I was solving, guys, so I think now I've solved the case. Yeah, I can't go back at the cabin to eat maize because I'm from there, guys, yeah, but today I enjoyed. I cutted the meat a half, then it was good, guys. For those who haven't come to the cabin, guys, make sure travel from where you are, my people. Just travel, for sure. I'm telling you, travel, my people, so that you can see, beautiful things, amazing things that are going on the village, guys. And that was the, we have started. How can I say, guys? We have just started. We have just started celebrating. You will see the maize that you. Oh, fuck, man. I just wanted to say maize. The meat Kiza Ke was preparing. Hey, it was so tasty. So tasty than taster. It was so good, guys. I even enjoyed the meat. I really enjoyed. The problem things that I had a call from home. That's why I could have to rush home. I could have even, but what I'll tell you, even me, I'll make a party at the cabin, guys. I'll buy meat. Meat is not a big money. It's just small amount of money. And I won't tell people to come with Skim, Natasha, being Chakwa, and Kiza Ke. For those friends whom I have collaborated with, guys. And yeah, we shall say, hey, I must, guys. I must do the party before I go to school. I really enjoy the meat, guys. Even me, I want Chef Kiza, the Chef Kiza, to cook for me another one, guys. Hey, it's so good. It's really good, guys. Yeah. It was tasting sweet. It was tasting sweet, guys, man. And I was saying, what? Guys, I enjoy the meat. I'm not lying. I enjoy the meat, guys. If from where you are, if it's, how can I say, outside the country, inside the country, you just come. enjoy the village barbecue, guys. Meet, see people are coming, enjoying, you know. Yeah, people are coming and enjoying, guys. And you are not coming and yet you are watching, salivating your saliva, guys. You know, you must come. For you who you want to taste the meat, guys, of the barbecue, just come. You know, entry is free. If it's not in my home or my compound, entry is free. You know, I think that you must have is an invitation card only. Those are the things which matters, guys. Those things and other things, they don't even matter. Aye. I'm just talking while the meat is here. Yeah, the taste of the meat is here, guys. For sure, the taste of the meat is here. Ah, I love the meat. So good, so good, so good, guys. Ah, yeah. The meat was so good, so tasty. It's yummy. Yep, guys. Now that's what is it. That was the all about the village. I just wanted to say the village barbecue, the village life. It's because the meat has taken my brain away. I'm just thinking of the meat. Yeah. Before I go back to school, I must buy a meat so that I can do the party, guys. For sure, I'm assuring you. And we are here, guys. You are not going anywhere, and you'll be shocked, guys. Ah, even me really enjoyed that party. I'm not lying, but it was. The problem is I had a call from home, so that's I could have to rush out here. Now, right now, as I am talking, they are waiting me inside the house so that we want to negotiate some issues here at home. I and my parents. You know, being the firstborn is not hey. No, being a firstborn is not easy, guys. Hey. Okay, guys. Hope if you are watching the video, you will enjoy the video. Guys, watch the video till the end. And for those who are coming, for the coming subscriber, I'm welcoming you guys for my new videos. Amazing channel, beautiful things, guys. You know, subscribe to my channel, share, comments, and also don't forget to like my videos, guys. No, support me here. I'm your boy Kerende, guys. Yeah, man. Now that's what is it. I may end my video here so that you can negotiate. They are waiting. I said give me 10 minutes so I finish what I was saying, so I can't go. Even I called my brothers there that I won't come. We just want to negotiate some things because I can't tell my parents I'm busy there, so they see me I'm bad, you know. They will say, now you have become a YouTuber, you don't want now to, and me I don't like such things, guys. So that's why. Yep. Now, guys, I may end my video here. Kindly watch the video till the end, subscribe to my channel, share, comment what you have, guys. Yeah, we love all of you. Bye bye.